Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on Bitget application. To change currency on Bitget, first of all, open up your Bitget application on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed into your home page, go ahead and tap on the waffle menu at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on the gear button at the top right and tap on Currency. From the list of available currencies, select the currency you want your wallet to change to, and you will then be able to change your wallet's currency. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.